Hello friends, myself Mukesh Patel from Atmiya Institute of Technology and Science for Diploma Studies welcome you to my YouTube channel Explore Technology. Today we will discuss the topic linked list and the operation of linked list. First we will see what is linked list. A linked list is a data structure that consisting of sequence of nodes. That means it consisting of number of nodes. Each node is composed of two fields, that is information or data field, and the second one is the link field, which is a pointer that points to the next node in the sequence. So in this diagram we will see this is a node, it consisting of the data 1 and the next field, it points to the next node. Each node in the list is also called the element, and the reference field that contains a pointer which points to the next node is called the next pointer or next link. Next we will see each and every linked list, the first node is pointed by a pointer that is called the first or head pointer. The list with no nodes is called an empty list. That means this list does not contain any node is called the empty list. The empty list has the value first is equal to null because there is no node. For any operation it must be checked for list whether it is an empty or not. If the list is empty and if we are going to delete a node from the empty list, it displays the underflow. That means it is an underflow condition. Then we will see different types of linked lists. Generally, some of the common types of linked list are singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, and order linked list. First we will see the singly linked list. It is the most common type of linked list, and each node has a data and the pointer to the next node. In this diagram, there is 3 nodes are there in the singly linked list. So first one contains the data, it pointed by the head or the first. Then the next field is pointing to the next node, and the second one is pointing to the third node, and this is the last node, so it contains the value null in the next field. And this can be represented by struct node, in that the first one is the data, integer data, and the struct node star next. So next is a pointer which pointing to a structure whose name is node. Next we will see the doubly linked list. In this one we add one extra pointer, that is the previous one. Thus we can go in either direction, either in the forward direction or in the backward direction, and the node representation is one extra field, the previous one is inserted in this particular structure. Next we will see the circular linked list. A circular linked list is a variation of the linked list in which the last element is linked to the first element. That means the last node is pointing to the first node. The next value of the last node is pointing to the first node. So there can be singly circular or doubly circular linked list. Last one we will see the order linked list. In this linked list, the list elements are in ascending order. That means the elements present in the linked list are in ascending order. That is 10, after that 20, then 30, like that. Then we will see some of the basic operation of singly linked list. Number of basic operations are to creating a linked list, traversing a linked list, inserting the node at the beginning, at the first, inserting new node at the end, insert new node at any position, insert a node into an order linked list, then delete the first node, delete a node on the basis of the node number, that means which node we are going to delete, then searching an element in the linked list, then count the number of nodes in the linked list. So these are the operation of singly linked list. Then we will see the concept of availability list. Here a pool of free nodes is used whenever a node is to be inserted in the list. That means an availability list is there whenever we are declaring any node, whenever we are creating any node, it is fetched from the availability list, and a free node is taken from the availability list. And whenever we are free the particular node, then it is again storing in the availability list. So thank you friends for watching this video.